Values are the guiding principles that shape our decision-making process and action-making in life. Hey there, my friends. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Hope your weekend was great and this week gets even better. So, values are the moral roadmap that helps us navigate through hard situations and make choices that align with who we truly are and what our beliefs are. In our daily lives, we are always faced with multiple choices and decisions. Some are big and some are small. Sometimes these decisions can be a challenging task and requires us to trade off between different values. For example, let's say you have to work a deadline that is approaching, okay? But you also have committed to volunteering at a charity event on the same day. In this situation, you may have to decide which value is more important to you, meeting your work obligation or fulfilling your commitment to the charity event. You have to pick one based on the value you attribute to a specific task, okay? So, by knowing your cherished value and which ones are more or less important to you, you can make these types of decisions with clarity and confidence. Values are also essential for building strong relationships with others. When we share our values with people in our lives, we can better connect on a deeper level and build stronger trust and respect. But ultimately, our values mold who we are and how we live our lives. They help us stay true to ourselves and our goals and create a sense of purpose and meaning into our lives. So, take the time to figure out your values and prioritize them carefully in your life. They will serve as your roadmap and will help you to make decisions that align with your beliefs and lead to a fulfilling, meaningful, and happy life. Okay? So, remember, values are the guidance by which we make decisions about what is right and wrong, should and shouldn't, good and bad. They are the foundation of a good life with purpose. So, if you want to know what we do online to earn a living and are looking to build a life and business that aligns with your values, take a look at my website right here, freedomlifebusiness.com. Our heart-centered community can help you create a business that's not only profitable, but also fulfilling and purpose-driven. By working with us, you'll learn how to prioritize your values and make decisions that support your visions for your life and business. Don't let your values take a backseat in your pursuit of success, and take the first step towards building a life and business that you can be proud of for years to come. Always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.